Okie dokie, so pouring coloured cake batter into a tin like this creates the coolest effect. Even I wasn't prepared for how awesome this was going to look. It actually looks like a gobstopper cut in half. But now we've got the cake baked, it's time to decorate it. Being hexagon shaped, it's a little bit harder to decorate than just a plain round cake because you've got all these pesky sides to deal with. So there's a lot of back and forth motion happening. Once again, I did a crumb coat and then a top coat and then took my time getting it all nice and smooth. I gotta say, I do love a hexagon shaped cake. Every time I decorate one, I get a real sense of satisfaction when I get it looking nice and neat like this. Now, in case you missed it, I did a full tutorial on how I like to do stenciled writing. And that's basically because my piped writing sucks. So if you want to see exactly how I made that stencil, then you can go back and watch that video. But now it's time to add the rainbow piping. I find for rainbow piping, you don't need to use all the colours. I just use pink, purple, green, blue and yellow. You can see here, I'm starting off with some frills. Frills are my favourite. Then I went in with a star tip nozzle and that really shows off all of the colours. I just love it. Rainbow piping is the best. Once I finished my star tip border, I went in with, you guessed it, more frills. Did I mention frills are my favourite? And that's another thing I love about the hexagon shape. It really gives you a nice outline for where all the piping should be. And then the final thing, which is finished off this cake, were these little yellow bows. I just used a roll of yellow ribbon and just tied them myself. This is just the funnest cake. Oh, and I added some edible confetti, which just made it even more fun. So there it is all done. I love it so much, it's almost a shame to cut it up. But we've got to see the insides, right?